different ways of uh, retrieving objects from the collection. Okay. So first approach, what we have completed, get, it will work only for list. Enumeration, list comma, set. And next iterator, list comma, set. Next list iterator only, list. For each loop, list set. For each method, list and set. Okay, stream API, now we need to discuss. So these are the different ways we can complete, we have understood. Now, let me try to take one test case so that you will get clarity, the current problem. Test 26 underscore stream API. Array list of object AL equal to new array list of AL dot add of double quotes A. Okay. I'm taking for each, okay, for each loop I am taking object obj colon A. Okay. And system dot out dot println A. Sorry. This for loop is meant for what? Just playing elements A. I don't want to just display elements available in AL. Okay. Now I am writing object obj colon AL. I want only display string objects. Then what do you write? If obj instance of AL, sorry, string. Then what do you write? System dot out dot println of obj. Okay. Then all elements displayed are only string objects. Only string objects are displayed. ABC only displayed. Let me write in SOP. Okay. Next. I write for loop to display only integers. How can I write? Integer of, okay, control F11. Now only integers are displayed, 5, 6, 7. No confusion now? 5, 6, 7. Next. I don't want display every integer. I want display only if the integer is even. First I have to verify it is an integer. If yes, again I should write what? If obj, I have to typecast obj, na? Int of obj mod 2 equal only this is the Java 7 version. Okay, up to Java 7 version, we write this code like this. Here, displaying all elements available in array list. Displaying all, so displaying only string objects available in AL. Here what is displayed? Displaying only integer objects available in AL. Okay, and here what are we doing? Displaying only even integers from, okay, available integer objects, let's say from AL. Only even integer objects available in AL. Okay. Now the question, carefully think. From Java 8 version onwards, the target is hiding loops and hiding, I can say, control flow state. Hiding conditional and loop control flow statements means developing implicit cursors. Okay, developing implicit cursors. As part of this, requirement, what happened? Stream API is invented or developed. What a stream is? A sequence of elements either from an array or from collection. Sequence of a sequence of elements either from an array or from collection. Okay, that means stream is a object or cursor. Stream is also a cursor object. It just reads the elements available in an array or in collection and returns to our program. Okay, then how can I obtain stream object? To obtain like iterator, to obtain we must call a factory method called stream. What is the method for obtaining iterator? Iterator. What is the method for obtaining stream? Stream. What do you write here? Stream of object S1 equal to, from which collection you want elements? AL dot stream. Okay, stream S1 equal AL dot stream. Now very important. Like iterator, it is a iterator, ITR equal to AL dot iterator. Like it, that means it doesn't have any elements. Now from this stream, I should obtain elements from the collection. S1 dot. What was the method you call? While loop, has next, next. Now the stream API is providing the, is asking us to write loop. It is writing internal loop. Tell me, what is that loop? Internal loop name is what? For each. What is the method name? For each. So you have two options are there. You can call for each directly on collection, or you can call on stream object. If you call directly on for each loop, if you call for each loop directly on array list, you can only hide loop. Only you can hide loop, but not conditions. Means control flow state, conditional control flow statements you cannot hide. For that purpose, I required what? Stream. S1 dot for each of, you retrieve the element. For each method, retrieve the element from the stream, give to our logic. In our logic, we are just displaying it. System dot outer println EL. Listen carefully. Is it a lambda expression? Any confusion? This is a parameter and giving to logic. Observe, very important. If you are calling a method inside a, what do you call, a lambda expression implementation, if you are calling a method by passing this parameter as an argument, okay, look at the board. Inside lambda expression, you are passing this parameter as an argument to the method, and you are not performing any additional operation. Just take the parameter, pass as an argument to a method. Then what Sun Microsystem told? In that case, don't write lambda expression like method reference. Method reference is a shortcut way of writing lambda expression. Parameter also no need to write, remove. This is the object. System dot out object. Object dot before, between you write double colon. Remove this printer. This concept is called method reference. Understand my points? Repeating again. This is lambda expression. When you develop lambda expression, just by calling a method of another class or object, don't write lambda expression. Simply you write the object double colon println. If it is a static factory, it is a static method, class name dot class name double colon method name. If it is a non-static method, object double colon method name. Understand the syntax? Now look at what the output will get. Same. A5, B6, C7. I want in one line, then remove this ln. Okay, now? Now you must ask me a question. Sir, I can also call AL dot for each now, sir. Why stream dot for each? Okay, with the AL dot for each, I want to display only strings. Then how can I write the code? To display only strings with the AL dot for each, what write? AL dot for each of, you take element, open bracket, you have to write if condition, na? For the target of Sun Microsystem in Stream API, you don't write if, I will write if. In place of if, you call what? Method. Now, what it will do? Displaying all elements available in AL. Now, same code I am writing, displaying only displaying only strings available in AL. First, I have to obtain stream. Stream is unidirectional. Like iterator, stream is unidirectional. Once it retrieve all elements, you cannot bring it back. Again, you have to retrieve all. Again, one more time, you have to retrieve object. And now for each remove, tell me. This S equal to AL dot stream, then I should write one method, S1 dot. S1 dot. Okay. There is a method called filter. By using if condition, what are you doing? You are filtering the object. Array list has totally 6 elements. Now from the 6 elements, you are retrieving first element, found is it a string? Yes, then store. Second element, is it a string? No, stop. Filter means stopping unwanted. No? That's why there is a method called what? Filter. To this filter method, I have to pass condition. You take element. Filter method also implicitly contain what? For loop. Okay, it is taking the element from the stream and given as an argument, and we have to write if condition here, if E instance of what string. Okay, element instance of the string, then what to do now? It returns another stream of S2 equal to S1 already there, S2. Okay, S3 equal to filter of element, then semicolon, element of instance of. Tell me, this stream S2 contain all elements. Contains all elements. This stream contains only strings. Now these strings I have to display now. To display those strings, I have to write what? S3 dot for each of print. ABC only coming. Will you understand that? Now observe. I want to simplify this code. How many times I can use this S1? Only one time. When you are using this variable only one time, why are you creating? Remove it. AL dot stream of one line. Dot for each of AL dot stream dot for each of. Okay? Understand this line? S1 place directly I am writing what? AL dot stream. And tell me, help me to reduce this code. This is not required. Remove it. AL dot stream dot S2 place what you write? Directly filter. AL dot stream dot filter. Now it returns only strings. Save it. Sorry. And again I should write what? Dot. Okay, AL dot stream, all elements. Here, all elements. Filter, only strings. Only strings. And here, displaying those strings. Okay, first all elements are coming from collection. Now giving what? Only string objects and then displaying those strings. Listen. Okay, now? And now help me. Actually, this way also we will not write. Okay, we will bring this one to down and we'll bring this dot to down. This is the right way of writing. Okay, here what is there? All elements. First stream contain all elements. Second filter method stream contains what? Only string. And third, for each method, what is doing? Display. That's all. 3 steps. Generally, in company, we will write like this. This is a recommended way. Every method call you write separate in separate line. Now, will you help me to display integers? To display only integers available in array list. First, I should obtain array list. Then filter. What filter doing? If condition applying on this condition. What I write to condition here? Integer. Okay, integer. Then for each of system dot out dot print. Next, displaying only even integers available in array list. Even integers available in array list. Al dot stream dot filter of, tell me here what happened, all elements. Here what elements are came, integers are only integers, only integers. Then next, you want all integers, in that integers only even numbers. Then again I should write one more condition, under condition, condition. Same thing written, na? Here you written condition, under that you have written what, one more condition. Same way, two filter methods I have to call. First filter method call, checking is it integer. Second integer, yourself, develop, develop employee class, class. Create 5 employee objects. Create 5 employee objects and add to array list. Create 5 employee objects and add to array list. Add to array list. Full stop. Display all employee objects Display all employee objects. Display all employee objects. Number 2, display employee names. Display employees whose name starts with A. Display employees whose name starts with A. Or else, A and mala difficulty. Okay. You have to find one name who starts with A. And write one dummy name. ABC, BBC, CBC. Third question. Display employees whose salary is greater than 10,000 belongs to core Java. Belongs to core Java. Whose salary is greater than 10,000 and belongs to core Java. Okay, can you write code now yourself? Tell me what you have written. First, you have to write what? Employee. In the class employee, we have to declare private int, employee number, private string, employee name, private string course, private double, salary. Then employee number, employee ID, anything is okay, Baba. Okay. Next, for initializing all, we have to create constructor, employee. Right. So I need a parameterized constructor. I don't want no param. Okay, let it be there. No quorum constructor, no operations, just empty object. I want parameterized constructor. Control Shift R. What did I generate? Construct using fields. Next, toString method. Okay, that's it. Setter getter methods. If you want, you can generate. Otherwise, leave it. Generate getters and setters. Control it. Okay. Right. So this is a story about how to generate all these methods. Right. This is a class I expected you to write. Same way written or anything. Okay. Then class test underscore what right here? Main of what right? Array list of object al equal to new array list of. Okay, al dot add of new employee of employee number 101, employee name ABC, some number, salary 5,000. Sorry, course na course for Java. Let me write shortcut CJ and 5,000. Next. ACD, let me write core Java 15,000. This is 103. What do you write here? BBC core Java 10,000. Okay. And what do you write here? New employee of 104 DBC core Java. Okay, 20,000. And ACF for Java 25,000. 5 employees I'm taking enough. Now system dot out dot println all employees are toString method / save it control. Okay, done. Now next. Now I want to display via stream API. First step, what did I write? AL dot stream dot for each of element. Okay, can I write system dot out double colon print. Okay, control F. All elements are coming. Same as that, right? This is the displaying all elements. First step. Operation number 1. Are you able to return? Any of your confusion, please ask. Then system dot out dot println. Next, println, sorry, al dot stream of what I want. I don't want all. I want only starts with A, right? Now, what do you write? Filter. Filter of, I have to take element now. If his name starts with A, then element is a what type now? Employee. I should get the name of the employee now. E dot element dot get. Here I taken a list of object. Can I change to employee? If it change to employee, element type become what now? Employee. Element dot get name dot starts with string handling chapter. There is method called starts with double quotes A. Maybe it may be what you call capital A, maybe small a. Let me make it as 2 lowercase. 2 lowercase dot starts with double quotes A. Okay. Dot for each of system dot out double colon print. Control F. Look at that. Only 3 employees coming up. 2 point if condition. Next. Now tell. I want, right? This is second operation. Now this is second operation. Third operation. AL dot stream of filter. Now first I should find course na, because different course employees greater than salary will be there, right? So first let's find the course. Get course dot 2 lowercase starts with CJ. Okay, CJ. Then and one more for loop, one more filter of what do you write? Element of I should get salary. Element dot get salary greater than 10,000. Dot already there. Okay, and then now we'll get output. How many employees are came? 3 employees. ACD, DBC, ACF. Okay, now? Hope you all comfortable now? Right. Now let me teach you. First programming understood. Paka? Let me teach memory diagram. This is array list. This is array list. Inside this array list, we have elements. Let me make it silent here. 1 second. Right. Now on this AL, we obtain what? Stream. This is stream object. Okay, this is stream object. This is AL, and this is string. Have you added any condition on this string? No. Then all elements available here, traveled, came here. Okay, na? Then, now you have added one more string. One more stream object. Okay. This is another stream. You want to take all elements available in this stream? You want all elements available in this stream? No. Here we have added what? Filter. Okay. We have added what? Filter. Now this filter is checking. Who are you? String. Get up. Who are you? Integer. Aja. Aja. Okay. So here, if it is a condition, we are this filter is nothing but what? Condition. This operation is what? Filter. So filter method is taking the element and checking is that element is as per condition allowed or not. If as per condition allowed, then taking and storing in this string. Okay. Now again, I'm adding one more stream here. One more stream here. One more stream here. Okay. And here again, we are adding one more filter. Filter is nothing but what? Condition. Now all the elements are coming here. And finally, we are adding the output. This is end. And this is star. And this is nothing but okay. Now observe carefully. There are three parts are there in the string. First part, source. Okay. Part is source. Second part, intermediate operations. Intermediate operations. And this is third part. Third part is terminal operation. So totally how many parts are there? Three parts. Every stream has three parts. First is source. Second, intermediate operation. Third, terminal operation. So in order to obtain source, we have a method called what? Stream. Stream is a method called source. Stream method generates source. Intermediate operations, what? Filter, map, reduce. Okay, etc. Like this, so many methods are. I'll show you the list of methods. All these are list of methods. Map, flat map, reduce. Lot of methods are there. Next, terminal operations. We have for each collect any match. Every match, yeah, something is there. Like this, there are so many methods. Max, min, like this, several methods are. All these are terminal operations. Terminal operation, only one operation. Observe, I have written clearly. Intermediate operations. Intermediate operations can be 0 or n. Okay, 0 or n. You can apply n operations. Whereas terminal operation, how many? Terminal, how many? 0 or 1. I don't want to do any terminal operation. Just I want to obtain stream and leave. So terminal operation not mandatory. Terminal is 0 or 1. Now tell me, how can I identify a method is intermediate operation method or terminal operation method? For that, very simple. If method return type is stream, then that method is meant for performing intermediate aggregate functions, aggregate calculations. Okay? Aggregate and you know na? In our maths, sorry. In Oracle course, you have aggregate functions. Aggregate functions nothing but we have huge amount of data. On this data, I want to process a new data I want to generate. Stream API is nothing but simply select query. Select query with where condition. Different conditions you are adding. That's it. Okay. Next. Terminal operation. How can I identify this method is terminal operation or not? The method whose return type? Whose return type is not stream. Either primitive data type or either void or primitive data type or reference data type. Okay, reference data, maybe collection or object, whatever. Then we call this method as what? Terminal operation. Is it clear? This is the architecture of stream. Source, terminal operation, and end. Every stream is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. First one. Project completed? Employee project completed? Sir, anyways, I will upload. You write this one at least. I will upload that, but you write this. Ma? Tell me here. Selfie ले लो. No, selfie ले लो. Selfie भैया, selfie. First. Today is the last class. So last Saturday, you have learned all the topics very fast. I surprised. Last batch was crying like anything, made me cry like anything. Okay, that's why I thought of maybe it will take 2-3 days, but last class you learn very fast. Okay, so today is the last class. Generic you want. Okay, next. Q, okay. Next. What are the features? Self. Hey, self is Python, right? In Java, what are the things? Right? Write on this diagram. So let me open API documentation. So stream means only you have to remember 3 words. Number 1, source, intermediate, and last one is what? Terminal. And that's it. If you remember that, everything will be done. And next, Stream API, latest version you can use, but generally, now the projects are coming only up to Java 17. Up to Java 17 only coming. So let's use up to Java 17. Java 17. Java 17 also not using only up to Java 11, but at least up to Java 17 you learn. Not download rate. Java 17 API documentation. What do you type now? Stream API. Hey. Where Stream API is available in java.util.stream. If you want to use the word stream, you have to import the package java.util.stream. Okay. Classes to support functional style operation on stream of elements. Stream and a group, a flow. Okay. Group of flow. Okay. Flow of objects. Classes to support functional style. Functional style and no loops, no conditions, directly pass logic as a argument. That is called what? Functional style. Such as map, reduce, transforms, and collections, etc. Okay, they have given a small example here. We use widget. So this. Go down. It is all not required. Okay. If you have patience, you read it. Otherwise, leave it. Now we go for methods. Observe what are the methods available here. So here, these are the inner classes. These are all the classes, not inner classes. Sorry, in the stream package, these are all the classes available. Base stream, collector, collectors, double stream, int stream, long stream. And if you want to work with int values, then which stream you have to create? Int stream. You want to work with long values, long stream. You want to work with the double values, double stream. In projects, 99% will work with only 3 types of numbers. Integer, long, double. Float we don't use, byte short we don't use, right? Only 3 type of values we are going to work. Int type values, large number, long type values, and floating point, double type numbers. That's it, okay? No, sir, I don't know what type of values are coming. Is the integers are long or double or object? I don't know. Then work with what? String. Click on string. Okay. And then look at their public interface stream. A sequence of elements supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations. Aggregate operation, nothing but a group is there. On the group, we are performing filter operation, selection operation, condition operation, different operations you are performing. Then we call it as what? Aggregate. The following example illustrates an aggregate operation using stream and int stream. Okay, done. We already know. Look at the methods. This method is any match, all match. All match, return type is what? Boolean. Observe here, I wanted to call one method. First, I should obtain stream al.stream of al.stream dot. What do you call now? In this stream, I wanted to know object starts with A. Okay. I wanted to know, for example, I want either any employee whose salary is more than 30,000. Any match is there, I want to find. At least one employee there, I want to check. Okay. Or else let me tell one real-time example. Recently, I helped one of my students on this. They are working on bank project. In that bank project, they are getting all bank accounts, different details. In that, he wanted to find loan balance, loan last 3 months who are not paying. He wanted to find all the accounts. Loan not clear last 3 months, clear. They want to find. And they have written regular code. Okay, for loops are written. But manager told use stream API. Then that student has called me and asked, sir, how to convert this code to stream API. Then I told that there is a method called any match. What is the target? If available or not, if available, at least one account is available, loan duration, loan not paid duration greater than 3 months. Then they want to do some operation. Else they want to do another operation. Okay. So they want to find is it available or not via stream API. Then I said, what method I have to use? Any match. Any match, all match. All elements I want to find. Then what method I have to use? All match. Anyone, at least one is there also I want to say any match. Observe now, what method I have to call? Any match. What the condition I should pass? Predicate. Predicate means what? Condition. Element, what do you write? Salary, right? Element dot get salary, get salary greater than 20,000, let's say, suppose. Any match, okay? System. Now tell me, this any match is a, observe the return type of the method. Is it a terminal operation or stream, intermediate operation? Any match. What the return type? Boolean. Boolean and I'm not asking. Based on return type, tell me it is a terminal operation or no, it is a terminal operation because return type is not a Boolean. I mean, not stream. Then I have to take that variable here. What? I don't know what the return type. Then assign statement to local variable. What the variable coming? Boolean, any match. And then what do you write? If any match, what do you write? System dot out dot println employee is found or not found? Found. Else double quotes, employee is not found. Control F11. Now look at the employee found. Here, this is the all employees. In the 20,000, 2 employees are there, not 20,000, 25,000. Okay. Next. Now, not any match. Now I am writing here the code what? All match. Okay. In place of any, I am writing all match. Then here, all match. If all match, then employee found, employee not found. Tell me, we'll get now all match false or true? Look at that. Employee is not found. So you have a collection. In that collection, you wanted to find a particular operation. Then we have to go for what? Just see, I want to one thought process should come now into your mind. I want to perform one operation. To perform one operation, I should write logic. I should use method. You should use method first. You should not write logic. You are a C developer or Java developer. Java developer, how dare you to write logic? You are not a programmer. You are a developer. As a developer, you should develop the program not by writing logic, by reusing existing logic. That's why you're called what? Developer. C programmer called programmer. Everything he has to write. Yes. He's a hard-working employee. Okay, we are smart working employee. What is smart work? Copy, paste. Okay, and now I'll ask you another question. Ready? There is a method for me. There is a one method. This method, sixth operation. I have a one method. This method will take all values as only integer. I don't want double value. Integers I want. But the salary is in what format? Double. But I want that value as int. I don't want it double format. Then what should I do? I should retrieve the salary, and the salary I have to convert to int and then return. That means I have one value. This value, matching value I am returning. Matching operation is called what? Map. Matching ante map. Hello. Here in the stream map ante not our key value pair map. Okay. I got one key. Key is what? Element. This key matching value I wanted to return. 20,000.0. What I want to return? 20,000. Understand? Right. There is a method called what? Map. Observe now. I'm writing now. al.streamof. al.streamof. Dot. What method I should use? Map. Map of Now this map is having parameter what? Function. Okay, look at there, function. Function is having how many parameters I have to find out? New function of, it is a one parameter method or yeah, one parameter only. Element I am taking. What should I do this element? Input is element, and what is the output? Match the value I should return. Element is what? Employee dot salary I am taking. Get salary. Now this salary I should return in what format? Int. Okay, na? So from this stream, I got element. From that element, I want what? Salary. If I return salary, it is going in what format? Double format. But I want in what format? Integer. So I converted to int and return. Now next, what should I do? I should display all values. For each of, let's see what will happen here. For each of system dot out dot print of. Okay, save it. Bracket, one more bracket required. Okay. Yeah. Now control F11. Okay. I want print ln. Look at that. All salaries are coming. In what format coming? Tell me. Element is what? Employee. I don't want complete employee. For each employee object, I want what? Salary. Salary in which format you want? Array return is int. Okay, but in which format you want back out? 5,000, 15,000. Okay. If you want only salary out, just you call a map. 0.0. The object is employee, but I don't, in this stream, I don't want employee object. In place of employee, I want this related, this employee object related, some other value I want. I want only salaries employee. Then what method I have to call? E dot get sal. No, I don't want sal method, salary value in the double format. I want in int format. Then I have to call what? E dot get sal of bracket int. Your wish. You want only salary, take only salary. So I have an object. Listen, concentrate. I have an object. Now I have a collection of objects. I don't want that original object. This original object related another mapping value I want. Then I should call what method? Map method. Okay. Like this, we have so many. I don't want to display. I want all these salaries. I want collect all these salaries. I want collect all these salaries into one list. I want to collect all these salaries into list. I don't want for each. I don't want to print. Then I should use what method? Collect. What the method name? Collect. Now we have to call collectors dot. There is a class called like, remember executors dot execute method. Like that, there is a class called collectors, double colon. We have to call, you want to convert into a two collection, two list. Collectors dot to list. Then I should assign it to a local variable. Why error coming? Method collect in the types double is not applicable for the arguments. This is double. So this collect method here applying these elements. The target type of this expression. Okay. This array list is employee. Collect method is not supporting because it's taking the generic type from where? Array list. This array list of elements, na? So that's why it is throwing error. Okay. Typecast will not work. This collectors class generic type is taking from array list. That is the problem. Okay. In this case, we'll do one thing. Collectors example in Java 8. Collectors example is taken what? A list of product. Same thing written here also. Product list dot stream map of x dot price dot collect of collects dot to list. Same code. Then why it is throwing error to us? First fellow. Collectors dot collector dot should not throw error. What? Because whatever the elements coming from here, that type should be applied here. Okay, collectors dot to list. Then double quotes written. Hey, earlier I have written method reference written. Okay, sorry. Sometimes mistake happens. Collect of what it is? Salaries. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println salaries. Or I can say salaries list. It is salaries list. Salaries list. Save it. Control F11. Okay. All salaries are coming out now. So you have written a stream. From the stream, you obtain all salaries and then collect them into your own collection. So like this, one method you have to take it. You have to work on this one method. So one method, collect method, I have explained. Collect of collectors. Two streams, if you want to join, you can call concat method. I want to find totally how many salaries are there, count method. How many distinct salaries. Okay, there is a 2 employees whose salary same 20,000. I don't want to consider distinct salaries employees. I want. Okay, do while empty stream you want to create. Find first, plan. So we have for each method generate, iterate, limit method, map. So all these methods, one method you have to try. That's it. Will you try? Okay. Here I'm going to share. We'll do one thing. Stream API tutorials. This is the best website for Stream API. You can study. And next, Stackify, the guide to the Java stream anta ఒకసారి చూడండి. Java guides, tutorial point, Digital Ocean. Okay. There is how to do in Java. Okay. How to do in Java. Just check once. So I'm sharing this. If you click on this, this is a tutorial you can follow. No problem. It's good. Overview, stream creation, empty stream, stream of collection, stream of array, stream.builder, stream.generate, generate method, stream.iterate. And all methods he is explaining one by one with examples. Okay. And next, stream of primitives, into stream, long stream, double stream. Only thing is you need one example for it. One method, one example. Stream of string, stream of file, referencing a stream. Just if you go through this one, you can definitely understand. And if any questions, you can post in the group. I'll explain. Okay, na? Right. Now, observe now. I want explain you generics. So you have to simply call the one method. That's it. Okay, na? Observe here. I'm creating one class. Say, listen, sir, please. I'm creating one class called example. This class example has a method called m1 with a parameter int a. Okay. And I'm writing another return type is int m2 open bracket return 5. Okay. Example already there. Let me take it as ex. Tell me, is this class fixed with the type or not? Yes. This class always work with the int type and int type. If I want double type, I want method parameter double return type double, then copy, paste. This is example on what? Int. Now, example on double. Like this, how many classes I have to develop? Double A, return type is what? Double. Like this, how many classes I have to develop? So many. Okay, I have to develop like this, so many classes. For each type, separate class I have to place. That is where generics came into picture. Create a class with a generic type. How to tell generic type? Don't try to type here. Don't try to type here. Then what I should write? Take one identifier, T. What the identifier? T. Type shortcut T. And here also you write what? T. Then I should tell to compiler, array compiler, T doesn't have type at compilation time. T type is decided at what? Runtime. Then that runtime type has to pass to this program and substitute now. Yes. For that, class is having angular bracket syntax with the T. Okay, na? Yes. In angular bracket, what letter I written? T. That letter only we are writing here and here. Okay, save it. Return 5. 5 we have to typecast to int. Why? Because this 5, what to type? Return. Now here I should take here T semicolon, and here what I should write? T, because I don't want to make it fixed value. Because here the type is decided. Int can be go via double. At a compilation time, this T value, this return type is unknown. So specify the value 5 here. And here I'm writing this dot A, okay, this dot T. Then after, before return type, here you should write angular bracket T. This is generic class and this is generic method. Okay, na? Then when this type is substituted here, when you call the method. Okay. Now let's say system.out.println T I am writing. Here I am calling M1 method. How can I call with the class name? Na? Example.m1 of example, sorry, M3 na? Example dot example.m3 of I'm passing 5. Then tell me what the type of T here? Argument type. 5 is what type? Int type is applied. Then example of double quotes A. What type? String. Here I am writing example of let's say 5.7. What type? Double. Look at the values are coming. 5 is 5.6. So now this method is called what? Generic method. Okay. Next question. Try to observe. I'm writing static angular bracket T M4 I have written. Okay, now what should I return now? A in this one, return yes. Okay, return T. Whatever I am taking as argument, same thing I am writing. Okay. Now here I am writing result int I1 equal to example dot M4 of example.m4 of 5 I am passing. And tell me, what is the generic type of M4? Parameter is int, return type is int. Control F11. Okay, let me write system.out.println of, what do you write? I1. Look at that, 5 coming. Okay, next I am writing here, suppose double D1 equal to 5.7. D1. Control F11. What is coming? 5.7. Okay. Next, I'm writing here what? String S1 equal to example dot double quotes ABC system.out.println S1. Control F1. Okay, na? So this is the concept about generics. Now, let me ask another question. I want to create one more class. Okay. Class tester 29 underscore observe now. I'm creating one class called college. Okay. In this class college, I'm taking a method call. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Join. Okay. Join. So this is the code I have written. You can take it as a private. Same college class. Tell me. Into college now, who can come? Look at the code and tell me. As per the definition you provided, into college, who can come? Any type of object can come, right? I'm writing here. College of string C1 equal to new college of semicolon. Think into college string into the college I'm sending one string. What this string can do? Can string walk into college? Can string do some work in the college? So this code is right design or wrong design? Wrong design. I don't want to allow any person can go and join. Anything can go and join. Okay, let me take. Here I'm writing C1 dot join of C1 dot join of double quotes. I'm writing XYZ. How string can join? He's not a student to join. He's not a person to join. Are you following my point? So if you want to allow a person to join here, to the join method argument, you want to send any type of object? No. Okay. Then how can I restrict? For that, we have a concept called this parameter. I can decide what to type. I want to create boundaries. I want to take wild character and boundaries. I want to allow any type of object. Question mark is what? Any type. I want to allow any type of object, but it must be extends from what? Student. Hmm? It's not a public man. I taught these points very long back, so it's not recollecting. Here I want parameter. This parameter should be okay. Here T cannot come. Here join collection should be taken here. Join collection. Okay, any type of collection can pass, but this collection should contain elements which is subtype of what? Student. Okay, here T you have taken. That T can come, but that values, the collection should contain any type of values whose type is what? Student. So if you want to restrict the type of the object, then I have to take what? Question mark boundaries. This is called wild character. Okay, this is called wild character. And the wild character boundaries, if you want to decide, you have to take what? Student like this. Okay, I'll show you now in the collections topic. Look at here. So already we have worked out all these points, but because you said you didn't observe, then I wanted to teach that. Look at here. Java.util. Collection. Java 8 version or any version is okay. Look at their collection of what? E. E is of any type of element. Any type of element. You can pass. Then scroll down. Now, I decided element type is or suppose the string. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Observe the method. Add. Any type of object can come. Add all can take one collection. This collection should contain the elements whose extends from where? E. And whatever the type is specified, that type only should come. 1 second. I got an idea. Here student. Here what is it? T. What type I have mentioned? That type of elements only you have to pass here. If you pass other than this type, it is not accepting. Okay? Where is this? Why it came back? So when you see this syntax, now we should be able to understand. Right? Collection of question mark. So this argument collection should contain the any elements which is extending from E. What type I have mentioned, that type subclasses only must be there. Okay? If you have different type, throwing error. contains all. Pass the collection, any elements, no restriction. You can pass string or whatever, because it just contains method. Contains method just verify these elements available or not. That's it. Okay, but storing time, it must be of the same type. Okay, right. Contains all. Hash code is empty, stream. Here again, remove all. You pass one object, if possible, I'll remove. All right, predicate. You want to find condition you have to pass. That condition you have to develop on what? This around the element what you pass. Okay. So this is called boundaries. Totally generics means simple. Generic is a Java 5 version new feature. Using generic, I can specify type of the element you want to store in the collection. I can create a class generic way to work with all types. I can create a class generic way to work with all types. Okay. Now, so this statement is sufficient. And what are the example you have seen? Right. I will share material on generics also, a tutorial, generic, tutorial. Plus Oracle. Okay, generics. This lesson is sufficient for you to read. In your free time, try to read. If you don't understand, also leave it, because you are not going to write single class as a generic class. Only with the collections you are using generics. But you are not writing generic program. You don't write. Generics are suitable not for regular program. It is suitable for only collection program. If you want to write a collection program, then generics are required. If you're writing normal business logic example, not required. Okay. Now I'll share these links. So in your free time, please try to go through and enjoy. Already generics I have explained in a functional interface teaching time. Just go through once. You can do some more searching on Stream API tutorial. You'll find more search options. Just go through once. Any website is okay. Okay. I have given you examples. Any website, whatever you feel good, you just follow. Okay. If you have any questions or any topic you feel difficult, okay, you can send me mail. We will one day we will meet and discuss. Amma? Come to class. Why come to class? Online we will discuss. You are not in the Google Classroom. What read? Why you are not in Google Classroom, Rababu? Which batch student you are? Revision you do, Rabai. How many times I should do revision? Nine batch, 9 AM already I shared. Go and check in your Google Classroom. 9 AM Google Classroom. Already. Okay. 6 AM. It's the time you have to study well. Once again, do revision. From which topic to which topic? First to last or last to first? Last to first you have to do. How to become Argishna full stack Java developer. Ma? So that's all for. Hey, 1 second. I have to upload this program. I have to upload. I forgot once. Hash map internal program already there, Vaya. Okay. Tomorrow to Saturday, I will prepare Stream API exclusive material and I will share to your Google Classroom. Meanwhile, you also do your own research. I will also prepare complete material on Stream API. I think that will be helpful to you. Okay. As of now, I didn't prepare actually. In the classes, I'll just explain and leave. Okay, let me prepare material and share. Anything extra when you're studying, if you feel difficult or not understood, just let me know. We will connect on Google Classroom or whatever, and I will explain. I'm always available to your doorstep at your services. Doorstep. Oh, I should write here also and other. Ma? Yogendra, in your 9 a.m. batch, you can follow. Here, there is no chance to join, buddy. It's already full. One more time, double time, triple time also waste. In your 9 a.m. batch, Google Classroom. Okay, na? Okay, all the best and do well. Hey, come on here. How are you? No, you want to join? No, join. Nine a.m. class for all are there, na? This is 9 a.m. batch, right? From here, whatever. No, this is old 9 a.m. batch. You are shifted to here. Okay. Hey, which 9 a.m. batch you are? Just shift 6 p.m. shifted 9 a.m. batch. Okay, okay. This is a Google Classroom. Join. Yogendra. File handling. Already gave you videos, right? Already used file handling also in the class many times. Reserve words pending. Open notes and read about all words you know. Okay, buddy. Thank you so much for your support for many months to continue the course. Okay. Yeah. In advance, Nataraja sir will teach you the project development end to end. Don't worry. Okay. Whatever I have to do for you to understand advance and pass the interviews, that much knowledge I gave you. Now it's the time you have to work out and you have to start studying. If one or two things if I don't cover, if you feel, you study and learn by your own. Don't blame you didn't cover, okay? Yeah. Don't point. Don't work on blame games. Just you take it as a chance for you to learn. Something if you don't understand, just send a message on WhatsApp. I hope you have all my number. I will explain you on WhatsApp, or we can go for Zoom meeting.